Special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us their multi-tool fidget pin. As you can see, this is a pin slash fidget toy. Inside of this is, look at that. Yeah, nothing else in here. So you get a little user's guide that tells you exactly what everything is, which is pretty darn sweet. And as you can see, there's actually two different items here. So start with the bigger of the two. This one literally has a fidget spinner on top. Like that's all that's for is fidget spinning. Pocket clip right here. You got a bottle opener. You got a level in the side here to make sure something's level. And then of course a full pin down here that of course writes. So that's kind of it for that one. Pretty sweet. Then we also have the second one. This one is on this side. Has a stylus here at the top. It also has a level on it and a retractable pin. There we go. Nice. And then also these can come apart. So like I can pull this out to get to the ink replacements, which yes, they include some replacements in here for you. Very nice of them. You got two here, 4 replacements altogether, 2 for each one. And if I was to put this back in, I could take off, or I could screw off the top, and it has a little replacement screwdriver here with a flat head, a Phillips head. That's pretty darn dope. So cool how much stuff and thought process they put into these. This one also does that as well. So I can pull this out, get to the ink refiller. There's a sim extraction tool and a stylus in here as well. So very, very cool. So just the fidget part. I would use this pin just for that and to have a quick bottle opener with it. That'll essentially do it for this multi-tool fidget pin. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me. Really, really unique, cool gift. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.